Flaps free.
Flaps 3.
Like
3000 Fuß ins Fenster. Flaps full.
Flaps full.
Got the 454, super reducing final approach speed and contact tower 120.5, take care.
Lufthansa 454, reducing final approach, tower 28.5, check.
Landing checklist.
Landing all green flaps full.
All green flaps full.
99 Heavy, good day.
San Francisco Tower, Lufthansa 454 Super, approaching 28 right.
The 454 Super, San Francisco 28 right, clear to land, wind 28015.
Lufthansa 454, clear to land, 28 right.
Redwood 342, wind 280 at 14, runway 1 right, cleared to take off.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, Redwood 342.
Checked.
Checked.
American 431, left turn, ground 28.
Da rollen gerade 2 noch zum Start.
That was the 603 Kilo San
Runway's
Francisco, 1
clear.
left, line up and wait.
Cross 1 left, cross 1 right, hold short at 28 left, Hawaiian 11 Heavy.
Redwood 342, contact north, how departure.
Departure, Redwood 342.
So 12 Golf, traffic off your right is a 737 northbound.
Inside, 12 Golf.
So 12 Golf, maintain visual separation with the 737.
Welcome, 12 Golf.
Southwest 432, traffic off your left is a
Continue.
Cardinal, has you in sight, maintaining visual separation, contact north, how departure.
Going to departure, we're looking for a Cardinal, Southwest 432, yeah.
100. $50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Spoilers, reverse green, VTV.
436, San Francisco 928 left, line up and wait, traffic go across downfield and depart north.
Alright, sorry, I was interrupted, I was freaking.
Andrews 436, runway 128 left, line up and wait, top of the front.
Lufthansa 454 Super.
Taxi across, turn 28 left, then contact ground, 121.8. Willkommen in San Francisco.
Lufthansa 454.
Thank you.